regular spot, there is a big bug over there. And I said, nope.
Like, he looks small, but he is not small.
We are actually coming back, technically 3. Yesterday was postponed to today. 3 Saturdays of canceled races. Spencer is ready to get out there. I'm sure everybody is ready to get out there. It's so nice to see everyone. So tonight is the Enduro series. So that means the late models are off tonight. There's also the Ridge Runners, the Coupes, the Mods, the Dirt Stocks, and the Scones are here as well, the Sprint Cars of New England. I'm excited. There is still a little bit of a weather threat. We will see how much racing we get in tonight. I'm hoping that we can get it all in because I have missed this so much. Not gonna lie, the break was good, but definitely missed being here. Right now it is sunny, it is hot, it is humid. I'm just gonna try and stay hydrated and make it to the end of the night. Just pray we can. So I think Spencer probably has the easy up now. I just signed him in. Let's go see what he's up to. See what our hot lap lineup looks like. It's been working well. That way we all know what we're supposed to be doing and where we're supposed to be.
Water duck.
So our hot laps are right after the Scones, and then the Coupes are after us. We'll start warming their engines at 4. So I think that's when the hot laps for everybody else will start. How was it though?
Dry.
Yeah.
Very little dry.
Did you get a little high up in 1 and 2? Because there was, I didn't get as big. It was like a peacock feather of dust.
At the end?
Yeah. Did you do it on purpose?
No.
I was going to get a burger at some point while I was kind of waiting for it to get cooler.
enough for working with us and all showing up today on Sunday. I know some people had to use GPS to figure out how to get back here. It's been a while. Missed you guys. Really glad you're all here. And I'm hoping we get the night in. We're not looking at the goddamn radar anymore. So it's going to do what it's going to do. We're going to go as far as we can. I think we're going to be good. Weather. It is very hot. So what am I going to tell you? Stay hydrated.
I'm gonna go get the heat lineup. Okay, so Spencer starts 7th in the second heat.
Braley. That's a nice race driver's name. Spencer Braley. Tom Brown in 98. Oh, pretty wide in the corner. Oh, my heart, Jerry Hunter. Here comes James Burrows. He's going to try to get up the inside and go pretty wide. Harry Hunter, the 97, but your leader is Aiden Bishop with the car number 30. Painted up in memory of our former chief starter, Mr. Greg Wyman. Mike Cuccioletta holding on to second. Aiden Bishop, your leader. Here comes the 21. There's the 53 car as well.
It looks like there is rain coming. Darn it, my percentages went way down too, but we'll see. We got a cover over the Prelude, so hopefully she stays dry. I'm gonna go see if the lineups are up, and I think they are gonna try and move this along as fast as they can.
Whatever it is, it's got to be lower than what was in the heat. I had sun behind it.
but they say they see a rainbow outside. I am under the just in case the Easy Up wants to go flying. We use it for our business, so I really don't want to lose it.
Like the worst looks like right there. That's what I noticed.
It is 7 o'clock. It is raining, but it should be done soon. We've been waiting a long time to race, and I really want to race. Well, I really want my husband to race. Just got the confirmation we are still going to race. It is a passing shower. I'm in the truck. It is barely sprinkling out now. They are working the track and they have like their big machines flattening it as well. There has been a change to the lineup. So the original one was mods, dirt stocks, then scones, us, the Ridge Runners, and then the coupes. Because of the rain and they're working the track, they need the big tire cars to go first. So and the mods and the dirt stocks are already done. So we just have the coupes going out, then the scones, and then us. And after that is going to be the enduro. Hopefully it's a good one. Hopefully we stay. I kind of hope we do. I would love to sit and watch the enduro with my friends. Because they're here, but they're in the stands. Spencer brought home second. It was a nail biter of a race. I was watching it mostly like this. No words. He said that was some of the best racing he's done in a long time. He felt so happy out there. Man.
Well, that was front bumper again.
I know.
Yes.